The Android 16 base Nothing OS 4.0 beta has recently expanded to include phones like Phone 3A and 3A Pro. While the update includes everything from the original changelog, it includes a few new features like lock screen glimpse and new stretch camera preset for the camera app. The reveal of Lock Glimpse isn't going well with the community. A few fans have been describing it as a bloatware that serves ad. Nothing has now released a blog that offers more details of the feature and shares of the company's future plans. In the blog, Nothing's co-founder Akis said that select non-flagship phones will have carefully considered a selection of third-party partners, apps, and services going forward. These apps will be platforms that most people install on day one, like Instagram. He stated these apps won't disrupt the Nothing OS experience and can even enhance performance on tighter experiences. According to him, Lock Glimpse, which is being tested on Nothing OS 4.0 beta, is a part of the initiative. The post also provides certain information like on phone 3A series, it is off by default. You can enable it anytime in settings. You can access wallpaper categories, refresh anytime or disable it. In future updates, you'll be able to use your own photos replacing standard wallpaper. To justify this move, he said that the biggest challenge of company faces is managing the cost of bill of materials. He said not only are they paying more for bill of material than more establishment, they do not have software-based revenue streams that other companies use to reduce expenses. They say this as an initiative to explore sustainable revenue models to avoid passing the cost.